The journey of cocoa begins long before chocolate is made. It starts with the careful selection of high-quality seeds and disease-resistant seedlings chosen to match the local climate and soil conditions. The land is tested, cleared, and enriched with organic matter to create a fertile foundation. Seedlings are planted gently, watered immediately, and protected from harsh sunlight with controlled shade. As the young trees grow, proper fertilization, regular irrigation, and consistent monitoring ensure healthy development. Pruning shapes the canopy, allowing air and light to reach every branch, while pests and diseases are managed through careful observation and timely intervention. Over the years, these well-maintained trees mature, preparing for their first flowering and pod formation. This patient process, guided by nature and human care, lays the foundation for sustainable cocoa production and the quality that defines the world's finest chocolate. As the cocoa tree matures, it enters one of its most delicate and decisive stages, flowering and pod formation. Tiny cocoa flowers emerge directly from the trunk and branches, relying heavily on natural pollinators to begin their transformation. Insects such as bees play a critical role, making a balanced, pesticide-free environment essential during this period. Only a small fraction of flowers successfully fertilize, and careful monitoring helps identify those that will develop into pods. Once pollination succeeds, young pods slowly form and grow along the tree, changing in size and color as they mature. Throughout this stage, farmers protect the developing pods from pests, diseases, and physical stress, while ensuring the trees receive proper nutrients and water. Heavy pods are supported to prevent branch damage, and their progress is closely recorded. As maturity approaches, pod color signals readiness, allowing farmers to prepare harvesting tools and schedules in advance. This careful observation and preparation ensure that when the time comes, the cocoa pods are harvested at peak quality, ready for the next step in the cocoa journey. Once cocoa pods reach full maturity, the transformation from fruit to flavor begins.
Sort pods by color and size. Only ripe pods are processed immediately.
Harvested carefully to protect the trees, the ripe pods are transported to processing areas where they are sorted and opened by hand.
We inspect the beans for quality, discarding any malformed or diseased ones to ensure
Turn or stir beans periodically.
Inside each pod, cocoa beans are removed with their natural pulp intact, a crucial element for the next stage. The beans are inspected, cleaned, and prepared for fermentation, where natural microbial activity begins converting sugars into the complex flavor precursors of chocolate. Over several days, the beans are regularly turned to ensure even fermentation, developing the characteristic aroma that defines quality cocoa. After fermentation, the beans are gently cleaned and moved to drying areas where moisture is slowly reduced under controlled sunlight or mechanical dryers.
Allow temperature to normalize. Prevent condensation that adds moisture.
Regular turning ensures uniform drying while protecting the beans from mold, pests, and excess humidity. Once the moisture content reaches optimal levels, the beans are cooled, sorted, and packaged for transport, preserving their quality for long-term storage.
Select optimal beans.
Prepare beans for roasting stage.
The final transformation occurs during roasting. Carefully controlled heat unlocks the bean's full flavor potential, deepening color and intensifying aroma. After roasting, the beans are rapidly cooled, inspected, and winnowed to remove their shells, revealing pure cocoa nibs. These nibs are then ground into smooth cocoa liquor, the foundation of all chocolate products.
Transport nibs to grinding equipment. Monitor feeding rate for uniformity.
From careful harvesting to precise roasting,
The nibs are ground into fine cocoa liquor. We check the viscosity.
each step shapes the taste, aroma, and quality of the chocolate enjoyed around the world. With cocoa liquor prepared, the transformation from raw ingredient to refined chocolate enters its most precise and carefully controlled phase. Measured quantities of cocoa butter, sugar, and milk powder are selected according to the desired chocolate type, dark, milk, or white. Accuracy at this stage is essential, as even small variations can alter flavor, texture, and mouthfeel.
Ensure stable emulsion of ingredients.
Industrial mixers blend these ingredients slowly and evenly, ensuring uniform distribution while carefully regulating temperature to protect the cocoa's natural characteristics. The mixture is then transferred to conching machines, where time, heat, and motion work together to refine the chocolate. Over hours, sometimes days, conching reduces particle size, smooths texture, and allows volatile acids to evaporate. This process deepens aroma, softens bitterness, and develops the signature flavor profile that defines high-quality chocolate. Continuous monitoring ensures proper viscosity, shine, and consistency, while tasting samples confirm balance and smoothness have been achieved. Once conching is complete, the chocolate is gently cooled and prepared for tempering, one of the most critical stages in chocolate production.
It is ready for molding. Fill each cavity evenly, ensuring minimal air entrapment. Then tap molds gently to remove bubbles and check the surface for smoothness.
Through precise heating and cooling cycles, stable cocoa butter crystals are formed, giving chocolate its glossy appearance, clean snap, and resistance to melting. Each chocolate type requires a different temperature range, and strict control prevents defects such as bloom or dull surfaces. Tempered chocolate is then poured into prepared molds, filling each cavity evenly. Gentle vibration removes trapped air, ensuring smooth surfaces and sharp edges.
Chocolates to the packaging station, ensuring no contamination. We check the molds for contamination.
As the chocolate cools and solidifies, environmental conditions are carefully controlled to prevent cracking or condensation. Once set, the chocolates are released from their molds and inspected for shape, texture, and visual perfection. Any imperfections are removed, ensuring only flawless products move forward. The finished chocolates are then transferred to the cooling and packaging stage. Before wrapping, they are allowed to reach room temperature gradually, preventing moisture buildup that could compromise quality. Food-grade wrappers and boxes protect the chocolate from light, air, and contamination. Each package is labeled with batch numbers and origin details, ensuring full traceability from bean to bar. Packaged chocolates are stored in climate-controlled warehouses where temperature and humidity are closely monitored to preserve freshness and prevent blooming.
Document all
storage, and packaging processes. Ensure compliance with food safety standards. Maintain records for audits.
Inventory systems track batches, dates, and destinations, allowing producers to maintain consistency across markets. When ready, chocolates are transported in carefully managed conditions to retailers, wholesalers, or export destinations around the world. Before reaching consumers, every batch undergoes final quality control. Chocolates are evaluated for color, texture, aroma, taste, and packaging integrity.
Clear storage instructions emphasizing temperature and humidity recommendations. Shelf life.
Laboratory testing may confirm cocoa content, fat balance, and food safety compliance. Random taste panels ensure flavor consistency, while labeling and documentation are verified to meet regulatory standards. Only after passing every inspection does the chocolate earn its place on store shelves.
Transportation conditions now.
We must ensure customs compliance for the African shipments immediately.
Tracking the batches now for full traceability. Shipping records confirm all standards are met.
Document all distribution activities.
Update inventory and sales records. Maintain traceability for all chocolate batches.
What began as a cocoa bean, nurtured by farmers and refined through science and craftsmanship, is now a finished product, a result of patience, precision, and expertise, ready to be enjoyed by consumers across the globe.
Integrity, check seals, labeling, and box quality. Ensure compliance with food safety standards.
Check cocoa content, fat, and sugar levels. Verify moisture content. Ensure compliance with nutritional.
Ensure storage conditions are ideal. Check warehouse conditions daily. Maintain logs for audits.
We actively monitor consumer feedback, collecting reviews on taste, texture, and packaging to ensure continuous improvement.
Document complete production process. Maintain batch records from farm to chocolate bar. Ensure traceability and accountability.